Welcome to Think a Bit. I'm Joe King, and today is July 27th. It's Wednesday, and the price of Bitcoin is 23,145. Wow, it's up almost 10% today. And yeah, welcome to the PlanetWatch weekly AMA. I'm doing it every Wednesday. That's what I told you guys. Now we're gonna go into like some Q&A. But first, I have breaking news for PlanetWatch. You guys gotta see this. This is something they should have. They should have tweeted it out on Twitter, but they didn't. But I'm breaking it here for you guys. Now check this out. They tried to sneak this past all of us, past you guys. But lucky for you guys, you have me, and I'm gonna bring you all the brand new PlanetWatch news. Now take a look at this. On July 1st, they changed their terms of service. Look at this. They updated the general terms of service. You say, oh, big deal. They changed the general terms of service. But this is what was inside of this. I read all the terms of services, and look what I found in here. Take a look. Let me zoom in on this. If you buy a license and like you're waiting for a sensor, if you buy a license and you want to get a refund, you only have 14 days from when you purchase your license to get a refund now. It's not you can get you purchase a license, and if you get tired of waiting around for the sensor, like if you say you purchase a type 1 license, $300, and you're just waiting to get the sensor, and it's taking too long. You see other people popping up in your pixel, so you're not going to be the tier 1. You see all these other people's in your pixel, you're not going to be the tier 1 device. So you cannot get a refund because you only have 14 days now from date of purchase to get a refund. Now that's breaking news. They changed the license refund policy. This needs to be tweeted out. Share it to everybody. Share it to all the people you know in PlanetWatch. And all right, now let's do some Q&A. Let's go to Twitter because I really don't have no questions to answer. So I'll just go to Twitter and read some questions, and maybe I can answer some. This is like their stuff from last week. Let's take a look here. Anything in here I can read? I'll gladly host an AMA. Sorry, that's my job. I'm the host of the AMAs now. Claudio doesn't want to do it, so now I'm your weekly host for the PlanetWatch AMAs. Well, I really don't have no really big, huge news this week. Just this. This is huge news. You guys have to share it to everyone. They're changing the process of refunds. And that's all I have for today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and join the Discord. Join the Think a Bit Discord. It's a great Discord, and you can post all your weekly questions for next week's AMA in there. And that's it. I'm out.